Okay. How to start the DMs here by using start manager.sh. Okay. Okay. Na? How to start the node by using start node.sh and start server.sh. Server name. Okay. Okay. First one. What are the main configuration files in the web server in the VAS? Okay, in the VAS. Okay, main config file server.xml is the main configuration file for WebSphere. Okay, okay, na? Server index.xml is XML. All port numbers are defined. All port numbers are located in this file. In this file, okay. Security.xml consists of security related information will be there. Okay, security related information will be there. These are the main configuration files. Okay, for IHS http d.conf plugin -cfg.xml is the main configuration files. Okay. Second one, what are the server logs and process logs. Okay. Yeah. System.log mm, and error.log. Okay. Process log negative std out. Okay, and negative std error.log. Okay, they are the main configuration of the more logs and ffdc logs will be there. Okay, if in case logs are not updating, we will verify ffdc logs. Okay, first failure data capture. Mm, First failure data capture. Okay. Mm, how many ways to install the installation manager? Okay. There are there are three ways to install IM. One is root to use. One is CLI. Second one is GUI mode, and the third one is response file. Okay. Third one is response file. Command line interface. Okay. CLI. Okay. Command line interface. Okay. What is the LDAP port number? LDAP secure port number. What is the LDAP secure port number? 636 is the secure port number. Okay. 636 What are the logs available in IHS and plugins? What are the logs? Access and error.log and plugins. Plugins. HTTP dot HTTP Now sixth one. What is the garbage collection? Garbage collection. How to enable? How to enable? Okay. Remove the unwanted memory in the server. Remove the unwanted memory from the server. How to enable the garbage collection? I will show you. And how to use the memory out of memory issues, and I will show you. Okay. This is the console. Go to servers, server type, WebSphere application servers. Okay, click particular server. Go to server, go to process management and the process definition. Under that, Java virtual machine. In the Java virtual machine, this is enable the garbage collection, and we have used minimum and maximum heap size 1020 1 GB, 1 GB we can use. Okay, okay, or we can use hyphen XGC policy Gencon. We can use by default, we can use Gencon here. Okay, and here or here only one. Okay, you can use any one. We already given. Okay, like this you can give all servers. Okay, remove unwanted memory in the servers. Okay, now three types of GC policies are available. One is generalization garbage collection. Second one is opt average pass. Okay, opt average pass. Opt average pass. Mm, opt throughput. Opt throughput. And another one is balanced garbage collection. Okay, balanced garbage collections. And okay, so how go to here, go to servers. What is the node and node agent? Node agent, nothing but communication between DMGR and Absolutely. Okay. Node means in the cell consists of managed and unmanaged nodes available. Okay. So how to implement what are the key stores? What is the key stores and the stores? Key stores, key stores, key stores. We will import, we will add or key store. We will in key store. We will add personal or self-signed certificates. Certificates. Okay. And the trust store trust store consists of third-party certificates like DigiCert, CACert, Zero SSL. These are the main question. Default session timeout is 30 minutes. Okay. Tell me the application server architecture. Architecture. Okay. Now, in the application server consists of embedded HTTP server, comma, web container, comma, EJB containers, and JMX, Java message service, and message engines. Okay, message engines, security, and naming container, and other related items. Okay, these are the application server architecture components. Okay, Now, what are the what is the flow of what is the request flow of the architecture? Request to flow. Okay, client send request to client send request to DNS DNS to DNS to load balancer to web application firewall again LB2 to web web okay and web to web server to web server to application server and application server to database. Okay, this is the request to flow in the architecture. Okay, what is the repositories available? There are four there are four repositories available. Okay, first one is local OS. Okay, second one is federated repository, and third one federated repository, and third one standard LDAP registry. Fourth one custom registry, Okay, how to install WAS and what are the commands? What are the commands we will use by using installation manager. We will install By using installation manager, we will we will add or remove or update comma accept license, etc. Okay. How to use the federated repository. Okay. We have one repository is available. In those repository, we will add, we have already one repository is available and available in those repositories. We will add one more repository, that is federated repositories. Okay. Mm, how to create the web server, and what is the difference between web container and EJB containers. Okay. Web server displays the static content. Okay. An application server displays the dynamic content, and web container consists of JSP and servlets available, and EJB container. All EJBs available. One is all EJBs available. One is data driven bean, entity bean, and session bean. Okay, how to enable the sessions and how to enable the cookies, I will show you. Click particular server. Okay, go to web container settings and go to web container transport chains. Oh, sorry, go to web container and web containers, under session management and enable the sessions. How to enable the session tracking and enable the cookies. Default cookie session timeout is 30 minutes. Okay, default session timeout is 30 minutes. Okay, and go to distribute environment. This is database and memory. This is when distributed session means when we are using memory, when we are using clusters, there is a failover control, right? That is nothing but this one. Okay, one application is down, another application is running, like that it will be used. After that, click particular and set maximum cookies and use. This is the cookie path and all the things. Current browser and set maximum age. You can use HTTP and HTTPS, JSON ID and all the things. Okay. Now 15. What is the informations? What are the information? What are the information available in plugin cfg.xml? Okay. Plugin cfg.xml consists of cluster members, comma, retry intervals and okay, retry intervals and j session IDs and clone IDs and virtual host port numbers, virtual host port numbers, okay, comma, transport to chains, HTTP, comma, HTTPS and URI, URL, comma, URI, universal resource indicator, okay, and plugin hyphen key dot kdb, comma, plugin hyphen key dot sth, comma, plugin hyphen key dot rdb. Okay, these are the information is available. Okay, what is the application server? Application server HTTP port number and HTTPS port number. Okay, and that is 9061 comma 9044. Okay, HTTPS 9044. Okay, application accessing port number HTTP comma HTTPS answer is 9080 comma 9443. Okay, web server port number 80 comma 443. 443 is secure. 19th 19th, what is the What is the what how to create the web server and what is the use? Okay, by using unmanaged node, we will create the web server, and based on web server, we will create the based on unmanaged node, we will create the web server definition. We will create the web server definition. Okay, and later enables the load module 22 and generate and propagate the plugins. Okay, generate and propagate the plugins. Okay, after this, if application is not fetching the URL, application is not fetching the URL. Okay, this is verify the application URL, comma, port number, comma, comma, maybe server was down, maybe server will be down, server was down, and verify URL or URIs, comma, okay, verify URLs, comma, URIs, URI, comma, URLs, URI, comma, URLs, and verify virtual host port numbers, comma, verify host name in the /etc, comma, host file. These are the main reasons to not access the application. And okay, how to avoid out of memory issues. Okay, verify the system out, system out.log, and system error.log and negative stdout.log and native stderr.log. We are identify java.lang dot null pointer exception or java.lang dot out of memory exceptions. Okay, we are analysis the dumps by using heap analyzer and thread analyzer tools. Okay, how to generate the dumps by using. So I will show you kill space hyphen 3 PID 3401 is the PID. Okay, this is the path thread dump. This is the thread dump. You can see entire information is available in the thread dump. Clearly shows. Okay, thread dump. Any threads are available. Any dumps are available. What is any memory is available leakage we can use. Okay, and how to generate the dumps in a heap dump. Go to the console and troubleshoot, and under that go to the Java dumps and core and select a particular dump and press heap dump, and server must should be running state and system dump dot dmp. Okay, see dot phd cannot, this is not human readable. See, it is not a human readable. Okay, see, okay, it is not a human readable. Okay, it's not human readable. Okay, this is not human readable. To delete the dumps, star dot phd star dot txt. Okay, this is the dumps we can use. Okay, now, and we have to use mat tool. Also we are using for analysis of the dumps, analysis of the dumps. Okay, and 31, what are the real time issues we are facing? That is, one is 503 issue comma 404 and 500 issues are identified. Identify 503 means service unavailable. Service unavailable. We have to verify. We have to verify the. We have to verify the request from request flow. We have to verify the request flow from load DNS to load balancer, load balancer to WAF web application firewall, comma WAF to IHS and IHS to application server. Maybe any packet loss, maybe any packet loss or misconfiguration or misconfiguration port numbers. Okay, at 404 page not found may be deleted or renamed temporarily 500. 500 means server may be down, server may be down, maybe down, or verify the plugins. Okay, verify the plugins. Verify the plugins. Okay, how to create the LDAP. Okay, by using base DN, comma bind DN, comma port number of the LDAP, comma password and LDAP. Okay, that is the thing. How to enable the traces in the real-time scenarios? Go to logs and trace and click go to the particular server and go to the diagnostics trace and go to change log details, and this is the main scenario. This is the log. This is enable the logs and trace including IDs and correlation of the records and apply and save changes. This is about logs. Okay, logs. After that, default log size is 10 MB is the default log size. Okay, 10 MB. What are the log information available in WebSphere? Logs, log level in WebSphere and IHS in VAS info, comma warning, comma debug, comma error. Okay, default log level for VAS means info. Okay, the other log level, default log level for plugins is error.log. Okay, error.log is the default log size. I will show you the evidence. Go to the logs and trace. Click particular logs under JVM logs. In the JVM logs, this is the log rotation. In the log rotation, every 24 hours, log may be rotated after 10 MB. After 1 MB, log will be rotated. Okay. Okay. So this is okay. Go to the runtime. This is the log path. Okay. After this, logs and trace. This is the trace. Advanced log analyzers. Okay. Memories. By default is info. Okay. By default is info. By default is info. Go to web server. Click particular web server and log on the plugin properties, and here you can use log level is error, trace, warning, debug. Okay. By default is error. Okay. And this is the plugin property to generate and propagate to generate the plugin cfg.xml. Copy the web server key store. Okay. Key db and rdb everything. Plugin cfg.xml is copy paste. Okay. Like this, or manage keys and certificate also you can use. We can use the based on the scenarios you can use. Okay. Go to the environment. Go to the virtual host. All port numbers are defined here. Default host and host alias. All port numbers are must should be mapped here. And go to the applications. Go to the user and groups. Go to create the user here. After LDAP, manage users. See, manage users. Create the user here. Add and search. Any user is available. This user is available. We can use this user and create the login that user. Okay. After this, go to the data source. What is the data source? Explain the data source. First, contact application team for JNDI details, comma, JDBC URLs, JDBC URL. Later, contact DB team for username and password, username and password of the database. Later, first create create the create the security alias. Create the security alias. Second one is create the JDBC provider under the resource tab. Under the resource tab, under the resource tab, and create the create the data source. by using the JDBC providers, okay, JDBC providers and default DB or derive, derive the default database, and Oracle have 1521 is the port number, and MySQL 3306 is the port number, SQL Server 1433, okay, and DB2 50,000 is the port number we are using in the, okay, port number. After that verify the universal drivers in the below location /opt IBM WebSphere and app server. Under that universal drivers, under that lib ojdbc6.jar or ojdbc8.jar or SQL JDBC 14.jar or db2 jcc.jar. We can identify these all jar files and verify the WebSphere variables in the environment section. In the DMGR console. Okay. Later we can use, okay, DMGR section. Okay. After that restart the all servers on the node in the system administration tab. In DMGR console. In the DMGR console, later go to the resources. Under that JDBC, click particular JDBC and click data source, click and test connection perform the test connection. If any errors, we will see in the node agent logs. Okay, that is systemout.log and systemerror.log. Okay, mostly DB errors are located. DB errors are identified. That is port number of the DB, comma host name of DB, comma password, comma username, etc. etc. Okay. After that, these are the main scenarios. Okay. Later, later 36. How to change the TLS version? How to change the TLS version in DMGR console and SSH level. I will show you. Go to security. Go to the security and go to security SSL certificate and management. Okay. Under that SSL configurations. Under that default settings. Under the default settings, under that quality of protection, we have changed TLS 1.2. Okay, and backend CD properties and ls ssl dot client dot properties. We have changed this property file in the backend. Okay, and how to apply fix pack in the production environment. Okay, we have raised the change window. We have raised the change and takes approvals from cab authority board. Cab is change authority board. Okay, and comma application owners, comma team other team, and will perform when change is in schedule state within the change window. We will complete the change and perform the test if application is working fine or not after deployment. After post deployment, after the post deployment, okay. Okay. How to install WAS and IM. Yes, WAS admin user. Okay. Login as WAS admin. SU space hyphen WAS admin. We have switch and create the folder and WAS in slash opt mount point and create the folder IM in slash opt mount point. Okay. After that, load the packages from Windows to Linux machine using WinSCP or MobileStorm. Later, unzip the package, run the im command dot slash user install c hyphen installation directory slash opt ibm installation manager hyphen accept license hyphen progress. By using installation manager, you can use the installation command was and find out offering id dot slash imcl list available packages hyphen repositories slash opt under the was find out offering id com dot ibm dot websphere dot nd dot b85 is the offering id dot slash imcl install com dot ibm dot websphere dot nd dot v85 hyphen installation directory slash opt ibm WebSphere app server hyphen accept license hyphen so progress hyphen dl data location opt ibm im shared hyphen repositories slash opt under the was repository dot config. This is the command. Okay, this is the installation command. We will verify the post install.log log for install success or fail. Okay, what is the profile and how many ways to create the profiles and what are their Okay, profiles, profiles, nothing but set of configurations, that includes bin of the profile, comma, log of the profile, comma, temp, double S temp, first installed apps, etc. There are two ways to install the profiles, two ways to create the profiles. One is command line. You can call it about CLI mode. Second one is graphical user interface. Mostly we are using CLI mode. Okay. First one is DMGR profile. You can call it about DMGR or management template we are using, and application server default template we are using. Third one, custom profile manager template we are using. Okay, cell template we are using. Okay, cell template. And fifth one, admin agent and management template we are using. Job manager, admin agent we are using. Okay, and secure proxy we are using. configuration template configuration template. Okay, this is the and 40th question. What is the clusters and what are the types of the clusters? Most important. Okay, cluster, nothing but group of the servers, that is nothing but managed servers. Okay, one is types of clusters, one is one is horizontal cluster, next one is vertical cluster, third one is mixed mode cluster. But we are using in mixed mode or hybrid cluster. Okay, horizontal cluster, by using this cluster we will achieve the failover controls, comma, scalability, comma, high availability and etc. Okay, vertical cluster, by using vertical cluster we will by using vertical cluster, everything installed in the same machine, but horizontal cluster installed in the different machine, installed in the different machines. If any server down due to some reasons, product business may not be lost during the horizontal cluster. Okay, both vertical plus horizontal, both nothing but mixed mode clusters. Okay, how to nullify the logs? I will show you the and the log path. This is the log path slash opt ibm WebSphere app server under profiles. Under that appsrv01, under the logs, under that test, we have system. We will show you the evidence. cd test. This is the logs path. Okay, I will take the backup. I will how to nullify the logs. I will show you the backup. Nullify greater than and nullify the log. See 395 KB. Okay, now I nullify. See 0 KB. Okay, like this it will be used. Okay, this is I will send you the sessions. Okay, session timeout and other things, sessions related class. I will send you the document. Okay, remaining everything is completed. Okay, and one more thing, 42 server related issues. Start and stop. Okay, verify the host name in /etc under the host file and permissions. I will show you that also. Cat etc under the host, like this. You can verify the host name and the port IP address and such the IP space here. This is my IP address. Any doubts? Ask me. I will stop the recording.